happy Tuesday. I'm trying something different. This program allows me to show my screen as well as video record me. Sorry for the notification. But we're gonna try this today. It gives me a 15-minute maximum, so I'm gonna try to rush through this. Just letting you know that I'm not trying to do that on purpose. I'm just trying to get everything in one video. All right, let's get started. Let's see. Okay. You're going to have to be patient with me. All right, today we're going to dig a little bit deeper on Clarence Works for Money. So what did Clarence do in the story? Did he play games or did he do chores? Good job, he did chores. So in our story, Clarence does different chores to get money to buy something, right? So as I read today, it is your job to remember how much money Clarence gets for each chore. All right, let's get started. Clarence Works for Money by Emily Weinbarger. Illustrated by Alex Weishart. Now, as you can see, I am reading from left to right. You try. Clarence works for money. Good job. All right, on to the next page. Clarence wants a toy truck. It costs $8. Now remember, that is a dollar sign, so we'll say $8 to add on to that sentence. Clarence needs money. All right, so it costs $8. Let's see if he's going to get that. Clarence can do chores to get money. Raise your hand if you have to do chores around the house. Good job. Thanks for participating. All right, let's see how much money he's going to earn. Clarence washes the car. He gets $2. So let's see. Let's show $2. 1, 2. Do we have enough? Good job. All right, so we have earned $2. Moving on. Clarence puts away food. He gets $2 more. So how many are we adding? We're adding 2 more. 1, 2. How many total dollars do we have now? Good job. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, what page are we on? Good job. We're on page 5. Clarence folds clothes. He gets $2 more. So more, that means we add on, right? So we're adding 2 more. 1, 2. All right. Let's see how much money we have so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. Clarence washes dishes. He gets $2 more. How much money does he get for washing dishes? Go ahead and tell me. Good job. He gets $2. Let's add to our pile. 1, 2. See, can I make these smaller? Nope, it doesn't seem like it. Clarence takes out the trash. He gets $2 more. Show me the picture. Show me where the trash is. The trash bag. Good job. There's the trash bag. All right, so he gets how much money? Good job. He gets $2. Let's add to our bank. 1, 2. So it looks like we don't have a lot of space here. So we'll just kind of stack them. What page number are we on? Good job for pointing at page 8. Clarence has money. He can buy the toy truck. Well, let's see. He says he has $10. Let's see if we can count. Let's see if we have been counting correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, good job. We have $10. We can now buy the toy truck. All right, let's see. Well, I'm going to look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see. Let's see, how much was the toy truck? Was it $8? Let's go back. Let's make sure. Oh, wait, it says right here, it's $8. Good job, Caroline, looking good. Okay, $8. So we put $6 in. 7, 8. We have, let's see, how much money do we have left? Good job. We have $1, $2. Clarence buys the toy truck. He has some money left. Should he buy something else? Or should he save his money? The end. Now, friends, let's see. I'm just again trying to get my ducks in a row. Okay. So, would you spend your money on another toy? Or would you save your money? I know that I would save my money. Now that is a question, it does not have a right answer. I just wanted to get your opinion on something. Okay, so how much money does Clarence get for each job? Remember, we had to remember that was our question that we have to answer at the end of the lesson. So how much money does Clarence get for each job? So let's go back to our story and see. So go back to the beginning. Go all the way back. Sorry, I'm sitting on my medicine ball because I'm all about flexible seating. So let's see. Clarence wants to do chores to get money. All right, let's go, Clarence. So he gets $2 for washing the car. He gets $2 for putting away food. He gets $2 for folding clothes. So look, he gets $2. Is that the same or is that different? He gets $2 for each time he does a chore. Are these numbers are they the same or are they different? Good job. They are the same. $2. He gets $2 each. Let's see, he gets $2 more. So each time he does any chore, he gets $2. So, again, I'm going to ask you, How much money does Clarence get for each chore? I'm going to give you a visual option, okay? And you're going to have to pick. All right. How much money does Clarence get for each job? Does he get $2 right up here? Or does he get $4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back and look at your text if you need. I'm going to give you a second to answer. Good job. If you picked $2, you are correct. High five. Yay. All right. So let's see. So we learned that Clarence got money to spend on his truck. He earned money by doing chores. And we actually use different types of money to pay for the truck, I believe. So let's see. Okay, actually, I'm correcting myself. He only used one type of bill. He used just $1 bills. Okay, so we learned that Clarence uses money to pay for his toys, right? But in order to get money, he has to do chores. All right, so we're going to dig a little bit deeper tomorrow. Again, friends, if you want to add on to this, you can ask more comprehension questions using the communication board. You can ask yes or no questions to level 1. Level 2, you can select a multiple choice of 3 or 2. And then level 3 students, Aiden, you can, mom and dad, you can ask him open-ended questions to work on his vocabulary. And if you have any additional questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to reach out. Let me know if this was more beneficial. I feel like I wasn't scrambling to flip the pages. So give me some feedback. If you liked this program, let me know and I'll continue to use this. All right, friends, I will see you later. Bye.